Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another naked chart trading, binary option trading without indicator, price action trading without indicator video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get my ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So I'm expecting that price will retrace back to the support and resistance level, and that's the reason why I'm doing a put instead of a call. That is exactly that what I have explained in the ebook about the prediction of the running candle and about the purchase time and the expiration time, which you can find in the seventh edition of the ebook. Yes, so and that's the reason why I'm doing this. Yes, because I understood that this will be a retracement or a reversal, one of those things. We are here in an uptrend. The trend channel is really small. Yes, and it looks like the trend was going here really long. Yes, you see a really long uptrend, and now it looks that we are getting here into a reversal. So I'm doing here put option on resistance. That means if price will get back to this level, here we have a dark cloud cover. Yes, let me see. Okay, I will do a put here because this previous candle is a strong candle, strong bearish candle. This candle here is in no man's land, and I'm expecting now a huge candle which goes down further. Yes, because of the position where itself it is. Yes, after this dark cloud cover, I'm expecting a big candle, and that's the reason why I entering and really lately into this put option. Yes, because I was expecting something like this. So we have another 2 seconds now. Sorry, let me see. Here we have a support and resistance level. This is a Marubozu candle. Yes, okay, this is a nice Marubozu, and I will do a put option on 50% of this Marubozu candle. Yes, because I'm sure that this 50% level is a resistance level, and that price will retrace back because this Marubozu is showing me a trend continuation. It doesn't mean that the next candle will almost be a bullish candle, yes, or bearish candle. It means only that there's still selling pressure, yes, and that's the reason why I'm entering here on the 50% into a put, because I'm expecting that price will continue to going down, not to be a bearish candle, yes, but it will close below my entry point. So let's see what's happening. Market is doing some kind of panic, yes, but I'm sure that this will be in the money, and you see it's in the money. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye. Okay, this looks like a trend continuation. I will do a put here, and that is what I have explained also in the ebook in the 7th edition. If you get a weak candle like this one with an upper shadow in a downtrend, then this means mostly that you get a trend continuation, that this was only a retracement. If I would have got here a lower shadow, it would be a reversal pattern. Then I would have done most probably a call option, yes, below the previous candle closing price. That is exactly this what I have explained in the ebook. Study those things, practice those things, yeah, things which I have explained in the ebook, and you will understand that those things are working really fine. So okay, that was already. If you liked the video, do like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.